How to fix a leaking ceiling. A leaking ceiling can cause serious damage to your house if you don't take care of it. Before fixing your ceiling, make sure that you determine the source of the leak and fix it. After you fix the source of the leak, you can drain water from your ceiling and take the proper steps to replace the damage. Draining the leak. Look for identifiable signs of moisture. To fix the leak, you'll have to locate the area of your ceiling that is leaking water. If you're unsure of where the water is coming from, look for drywall panels that are sagging or crumbling. You may also notice areas of the ceiling with coffee-colored stains. Lay down drop cloths or tarps under the leak. Putting down drop cloths or a plastic tarp underneath the bucket will prevent your floors and furniture from getting wet. It will also help collect debris as you replace the water-damaged portion of your ceiling. Put a bucket under the leak. A bucket or container will be able to catch the water that's coming from your ceiling. This will prevent water damage to your floors and will help catch the water from your ceiling once you start draining the leak. Puncture the ceiling with a screwdriver to drain the leak. Use a screwdriver and push it into the center of the location of the leak. Create the hole away from the ceiling's framing boards. This will cause the water to drain from the ceiling and can help relieve additional water damage. Keep the bucket under the water-damaged ceiling so that it can catch the water when you puncture it. If water accumulates over your ceiling, the water can weigh down your ceiling and create a large hole or cause it to collapse. If you create a larger hole, you may be able to see where the leak is coming from more easily. Repair the source of the leak to prevent future damage. Before you replace the portion of your ceiling that's leaking, it's important to fix the source of the leak. Common sources of ceiling leaks include faulty pipes or cracks in your roof. Once you drain the leak, it's important to call a professional roof specialist or handyman who can fix the source of the leak. Taking care of the leak quickly will reduce the cost of your repairs and could prevent future damage. 6. Another cause of leaks is faulty air conditioning. Your air conditioner's condensate lines could be clogged, leading to overflow that can cause ceiling leaks.